They all were in good mood and their age group is in between 10 to 30 years. And the action of my story is celebrating the son's birthday party. So my center character of my story is Harshvardhan, who is 30 years old, software engineer in Microsoft. So on the occasion of his son's birthday, he took half day from his office and reached home earlier. He gave surprise to his wife and his son. They were very happy. His son hugged him. Then they made the plan for celebrating the birthday party. So first they went for the movie and from his car. They enjoyed the latest movie and also done various shopping. Harshvardhan also purchased some toys for his sons as he likes toys very much, so he wanted to give him surprise. So after enjoying the dinner, they went home and Harshvardhan gave surprise to his family and they all were very happy. They again done dinner with together and enjoyed the night. Thank you.
Good morning, friend. From the picture shown, I perceive multiple characters, but the main character of my story is Rahul, who is 25 years old, who lives in Bangalore, and who is works in a IT company. His schedule is very busy, so one Saturday he and his family plans to plan for Sunday, and the next morning they goes to a garden where they see many people and they experience natural environment and natural atmosphere, and after that they do many activities like yoga and exercises and other things. After that they visited a nearby temple, and then they have a lunch, and after that they had many activities, and at last they at the night they have a dinner, and they enjoyed the Sunday very much, and the family got very happy like this.
Good morning, gentlemen. In the given picture, there are multiple characters, but my main character is Ram, 25-year-old, mood positive. Action of my story is meeting his friend. One day, Ram, who has completed his BTech recently and got placed in good MNC, one day his friend Tina come to meet her with her daughter. They Ram asked for a long drive to Tina, and they enjoyed that ride. And he offered ice cream to the small girl, and they enjoyed very much with ice cream. As while dropping Ram to Tina, he gave a smart watch to Tina, and thanks her because she helped him in college very much at his projects and his interview practice, and they happily ended the meeting. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. In the picture shown to us, I perceived three characters, two females and one male. Ram is my main character, 28 years old. Ram was working as an assistant professor in the government college Jaipur. One morning, when he was leaving for his college, his neighbor asked him for a help for her daughter's PTM because her husband was out of town and they did not have any means of transportation. So Ram gave them lift to the school so that they attend the PTM timely, and then Ram leave for his college for his daily routine. Later that day, Ram asked them that in returning, how they will going back to their home. So Ram came to know that they will use a public transport to returning home. So Ram booked the cab for them so that they reach their home safely. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. From the given picture, I have perceived three characters, and the main character of my story is Anil. Anil is 27 years old and he's an advocate. One fine day, he was working in a court and he found out that the next day his Banja's birthday was coming. So he decided and completed his work on time, and next day he decided a picnic for him. He also brought a few soft toys and the games his Banja liked to play, and they went for a picnic, and after eating his Banja's favorite food, they also eat the ice creams and also gone to a gaming zone where they all enjoyed, and later that day his Banja thanked him for the things he had done for it. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. From the picture shown to us, I have perceived multiple characters. My main character is Raghav, who is 27 years old, and the mood seems positive to me. Action of my story is surprising family with by buying a car. Raghav is a 27-year-old young and energetic engineer who is working hard in an automobile company. He did not have a car, so he decided to buy a car while taking multiple multiple things taking in mind. He noted down the budget. He took care of the safety equipment, safety procedures given by the company. after analyzing all the things necessary, he bought a car and went home after buying the car. He surprised the family and family members were happy. He went out with family and spent a good day. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. From the pictures shown to us, I have perceived three characters, two male and one female of different age group. Rahul is the main character of my stories. Rahul is a 28-year-old man working in an engineer company at Pune. On Diwali vacation, he went to his home after a long time. So after seeing him, his family and his son and his family was very happy. So they went for shopping and celebrated Diwali together. After Diwali, they went to nearby cinema to watch a movie. On the day, he discussed with his son about his studies and the culture of Pune. On the day he was leaving, his son was emotional, so he promised him that he will come back soon and will take him with him. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. From the pictures shown to us, I perceived multiple characters, but my main character is Ramesh, who is 27 years old, mood positive, and my action of story is enjoying a trip. So, Ramesh is a graduate from Delhi University and now recently appointed as a manager in a tech company. And now with the job, he also got a offer opportunity to visit the Odisha. Then he accepted the proposal and went to Odisha with his sisters. Then when he reached the Odisha by the train transport, he firstly visited the Jagannath Puri temple and get the blessings from the god. And then after he in the path, they observed that the farmers are producing the crop rice, and they also learned the technique of the production of the crop rice. And after that they roamed about the main things, famous things about the capital Odisha and somewhere there, and clicked some photographs and also shares with the social media platforms. And after returning home, he shares his experiences with his colleagues and thanks the boss to give a wonderful experience of the trip. Thank you.
Good morning to all present here. In shown picture, I perceived three main characters. My main character is Ramesh, who is 27 years old. Mood is positive, and one day he decided to go with a picnic with his family. So that day he wants to go with his family in picnic. Firstly, he decided to go his company. On his company, he working in a company. He always support his family in all situation, and one day that day he go in his company after he coming from that company, and decide to go along with family, and happily they go in a picnic. So that's all about it.
Good morning, gentlemen. From the image shown to us, I have perceived one main 32 years old male character, Rahul, who is in a positive mood. Rahul is a businessman, and every day when he used to go to his factory, his wife and his son greets him to the car. And and one day when he was on his way to the office, he saw an accident. And the old man who was hit by a truck was badly injured, so he took him to the hospital and also fulfilled the formalities of the old man. And till the old man was not pretty well to stand on his feet, Rahul was very curious for his health checkup daily, so he also visited daily to the hospital for the health updates about the old man, and he talked to the doctor about the same. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. From the picture shown to us, I perceived three characters, two males and a female, and he is grouped between 10 to 28. The action of my story is celebrating the birthday party of sister. So Subodh, who is an IT professional, decides to surprise her sister with a birthday party as she was staying with them for the vacations. So he first of all coordinated with his nephew and explained to him about the required standards of decoration, and accompanies him to the markets and get the decoration items and a good cake to surprise the sister. Next, he plans a trip to all those places around the city which hold their childhood memories, and they leave. And they visit different locations like Jal Mahal, Nahargarh Fort, and various other locations which hold their childhood memories. And after that, they also share anecdotes with the nephew about their childhood memories. at the night their mother had cooked their favorite food, and he also plays a slideshow of their from their childhood album, to create an overall nostalgic environment for the sister's birthday party, and she is very delighted by the efforts. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so gentlemen, I think we can go with the theme of organizing.
Gentlemen, from the picture we can see there are 3 characters and all characters are mood are positive. So as most of us make a story around the birthday party.
Gentlemen, the theme of birthday party was recurring in all the stories, so we should proceed with that theme.
Yes, gentlemen, I agree with chess number 30 that most of us has made story around.
Birthday party was recurring, so we should move with that theme.
Car drive and birthday party.
Yes, gentlemen, and like we should go with the theme that it is the young kid's birthday or the sister's birthday.
I think the young children's birthday we can put more action in that.
Birthday party would consider all the actions. It does not makes a lot of difference if we are selecting the sister or the nephew of the birthday. So I think we can consider any.
I think that we should
Take the whole child as a birthday. No, but I think if we are selecting the birthday of sister, we can add more actions like recreating the childhood memories. So we can. But seeing the. So I think we can proceed with that thing.
We can proceed celebrating the birthday of the younger child. We can see.
Gentlemen, in the picture there was nowhere evident whose birthday is being celebrated. It's just a normal trip, so we can proceed with any of the birthday.
Okay, gentlemen, we can proceed with sister's birthday.
Sister's birthday. So first of all, for any birthday party, we have to plan how it would be done. So we first of all involved the nephew in his plan, and they did the decoration for a night cake cutting, and thereafter they planned a trip, a trip to all those places to which their childhood memories were associated.
Add one more point. And we take a trip as excursion to that.
I think.
And for the trip, they also invited his sister's friends. His brother out of town, and he reached for her birthday, and he told all the decoration on with the
nephew.
You get a surprise room.
Yes.
So he surprised early on in morning.
They have childhood memories associated with that place, so visited that place, and meanwhile they also told.
Gentlemen, we can
about
also
the
add a
memories
First he
associated.
surprised early in the morning, then he
That
played
they want to get the
night party at his childhood memorable destination.
We can also add a point that they went to for a dinner with the
brother and sister.
their relatives who were closer to them.
After dinner, they also done various shopping.
And also certain childhood friends of her sister also.
Her sister likes car driving, so he took a car drive also. So she can
drive around the city.
And in the story, and we can also add a point that is just number 30 mentions in the story that they also picture slide of their memory.
He also took certain pictures from their childhood album and prepared a good PPT and played it while the night party.
For the night party, we can also
because after a very long time they are celebrating a party, so they make a small picture, a small movie from the child photos and the older memories they spent together in the city.
also gifted a surprise smartwatch.
And also they click good pictures of the current event and share them on the WhatsApp group to cherish the memories for future time. Gentlemen, we have forgotten a very important point, that is buying a good gift.
Yes, gentlemen.
Yes, a smartwatch or a fitness tracker so that our sister could take care of her health.
His sister likes to do fitness.
From the watch collection, they selected a very expensive watch, and his favorite watch that he wants from the childhood.
Yes, he
And
wants.
later that day, with the whole family, they planned a dinner and a small trip in the city or the nearby places.
It can be in the daytime only.
Yes,
Daytime.
post the trip there would be a night dinner party as well.
Night dinner party, after dinner party, they went to different places.
And we can add the night dinner party.
First he will visit in early.
Gentlemen, friends point is already
Covered. We have
now
already
we should conclude the story.
And after the party after dinner party, his sister thanked him for the party that he organized.
And she was very delighted.
As well,
And he
delighted by
promised-
the.
Yes. And they made a promise of further such events, as memorable events as well.
So our story goes like Rahul, who was a IT professional, organized a birthday party for his younger sister.
Placed in food MNC.
Yes,
Placed
yes.
in food
He also
MNC.
visited his childhood memories, places like in Jaipur, in Nahargarh, Jaipur Fort,
But he
and
planned to visit early in the morning at his sister's house. Then he
Coordinated with the nephew regarding the decorations and also accompanied him to the market to buy
decided for a
essentials.
road trip in
Instead of
different
going to sister's
destination
house,
of
we can
60.
simply add
Sister had came to their house for vacation. It
For
would be,
vacations, it will be a nice.
But it can be a surprise in early in the morning. He went
Yes,
and-
at the early in the morning they did a cake cutting, and thereafter they left for a trip for a drive around the city.
drive around the city.
And the night party.
Gentlemen, I think actions are plenty. Now one of us should conclude the story. So I nominate chess number 21 for giving the common group
Yes,
story.
gentlemen.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Good morning, sir. In the given picture, there are multiple characters, but my main character is Ram, who was 28-year-old, pursuing his BTech. As his sister's birthday is coming, so he coordinated with his nephew and talked about the surprise party for her sister. In early in the morning, he visited his sister and surprises him on her birthday. And later he decided to go on road trip in different destinations in the city, and decided to do a night party, planned a night party surprise. And he also made a PPT of his childhood memory to give a nice feeling to his sister. And he also gave a surprise gift, a smartwatch that she likes very much. And happily they ended the party. Thank you.
First of all, what most of you have related to the family.
Yes, sir.
Is it necessary? It is necessary to relate it with the family.
Not necessary.
Huh? So what all you can do?
Helping me.
No, can't it be an unexpected visit by someone?
Some family member or
Any
old
family member,
friends.
anyone can be there. Or it can be like old friend, like college friend, suddenly saw a car, within the car he saw old friend was going with a child. That meeting can be there or not.
yes, sir. Yes.
Also, some of you have gone with the family, seen that birthday party, etc. And father said, birthday party is okay, that is common, but how should birthday party should play some surprise factor should be there.
Yes. Surprise by the party.
Okay. Now what else? What else can be there?
Sir, buying a new car and then taking out family for a ride in that new car.
Okay, buying a new car, what else?
So from the seeing picture, we can also presume that is a picnic scene also.
Huh?
Picnic they will go on or for picnic also.
Okay.
Sir, helping a neighbor.
Huh?
Helping neighbor.
Helping a neighbor. Yes. Or
Picture was positive.
or positive. Now, what is happening? Now, anything else can be there because if suppose some school bus has not come, son ko kya? Anything
Neighbors
can
and
be there.
teachers.
Anyone can be dropped. Can't it be there? So or what else can be there? Now, what happens on Children's Day? Children's Day, you organize something, or you can say on birthday, can't you distribute something to people who are there? किसी को भी social worker, so something can be donated, something can be given or not. What else?
sir, the family has attended an event and they after come and get back to their home.
Now, is it the person was coming out of the car or he was going inside?
Inside.
He was going inside.
Huh?
I
So
think
he
is
was
going-
sitting, sir.
Was he going inside the car or inside?
Going
Inside the
inside.
car.
Going inside.
Sir, not. Sir, it can be both.
It is absolutely your perception. You can take it that either he is sitting in the car or he is going out of the car. If he is sitting inside the car means
He is going.
somebody is saying of.
Seeing off.
If he is coming out of the car means he is being
Welcoming.
welcome.
Welcoming.
Understood? Any questions? Again, You have taken more than 2 minutes in your narration. And did anyone notice that it took more than a minute? So your narration should not exceed more than a minute. Otherwise, what will happen? You won't even come to know. The assessor there, they will say, okay, next. जैसे कि मिनट खत्म होगा, you'll say next. Also, move your mundi left and right, which you are not doing. Still, you have started it doing it, but still not up to the mark. Understood? Also, when somebody narrating, look at him, और अगर थोड़ा नोट कर सकते हो तो कर दो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Clear? Any questions, anyone?